I'm walking through the jungle. It's pretty crazy. And then, whoa. Whoa. Whoa! Stop! Who are you?
Oh, I'm Big Reels!
What?
I'm Big Reels. I've been stranded out here for a million days, no?
Really?
Will you help me in the search of food? We might need to pee through a bottle. We may need to pee through a bottle. And then drink it.
Oh my god.
Because we are dehydrating.
Okay. We'll power up and just go through the jungle, I guess.
This is a jungle, it's a desert jungle.
Desert jungle, whatever.
Oh, look at my skillage.
There's like craziness. This is like a dirt road thingy.
Oh, I can hear something. It's a bear.
Where are you taking me? Wait. Yeah, we're on the track. Hey, there's other people here. Run. They're gonna capture us.
They are the talking zebras.
The zebras, and they talk. Oh my god, that is tragic. Oh, attacked by bugs. Oh my god, that was so terrifying.
Oh no! A dangerous bridge. We need to get a stick.
It's bridge to Terabithia.
Look.